Welcome back students, this is Himanshu and this is going to be the first video for the PowerPoint presentation. So from the very name you can make it out that it's meant for presentation purpose. So how to open a PowerPoint file? For this, right click anywhere, go for new, and then you need to go to Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. You can see click. Now one new PowerPoint presentation file has been created, and by default it has given a name to it, that is new Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. However, you can give the name according to your wish. So I'm giving, let's say, trial PP presentation file. Enter twice or double click in order to open the file. So file has opened. Once it is open, you will find out that it's completely blank, so there's nothing in it, and you need to create slides. What is slides? Like in MS Word, which is meant for documentation purpose, there are pages. In MS Excel there are spreadsheets. Similarly in PowerPoint there are slides, and in order to get a new slide you need to go to Home tab, and there you will get to see this new slide option. Click over here and you will get to see many layouts. So these are various layouts. Let's say I'm going for this layout. So this is our first slide. Now according to your PowerPoint presentation, means according to your presentation requirement, you can decide upon that how many slides you required. Let's say I required 4 slides. First slide for MS Office, second for Excel, for PowerPoint and MS Word. Let's say I'm going to present this presentation in some of the corporates in order to encourage my this training program. So I want to make 4 slides out of it. So this is the first slide, then I'm going for the next slide, and whatever layouts you are looking for, let's say I'm looking for this layout, so I've selected this one, then again I'm going for this one, and again this one. So 4 slide has been created and layout also has been selected. However, let's say right now I'm in the second slide and I don't like the layout, I want to change the layout of it. So simply by selecting the slide you can go to layout option, and there you can whatever layout you want to select, you can simply click over that. So that layout has been created. Moreover, where you can see click to add title and click to add subtitle. In this particular layout you can see there is a click to add title, click to add text, and many other placeholders. So these are placeholder mainly, and these are nothing but text box where few properties has been set already. You can't type anything in the blank place. You need to take the help of a text box, and then only you can type something. However, in the placeholder size, if you have done any changes and if you want to reset it, simply you can click on reset and you can see. Also there are 4 slides. Here it's not required. What I mean to say, where here we don't require the section part, but let's say there are plenty of slides, more than 40-50, and there are slides based on department. So if you want to divide those into section, you can do that simply. Let's say I've selected 3, so 1 and 2 is going to be one section, 3 and 4 is going to be different sections. So I've selected 3, click on section and click on add section. You can see a section has been added. So this is a default section, the name is, click on rename section and you can give the name whatever you want. I'm not going to give. Here also by right click rename, you can give the name according to your requirement. However, it's not required here, so I'm going to remove section option. Okay, plenty of the options in the formatting and other things also similar to MS Word. So if you have not gone through the MS Word videos, first go through the MS Word videos and then come for PowerPoint presentation. And in the next video we are going to understand options related to font, paragraph and formatting. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.